Welcome students. We will see Unit 1 Introduction in Total Quality Management. So, what is quality? Quality is excellence that is better than a minimum standard. So, in another way, we can tell it is a conformance to standards and fitness of purpose. As per ISO 9000, quality is defined. It is the degree to which a set of inherent characteristics fulfills requirement. According to JURAN, quality is fitness for use of the product. According to CROSBY, Philip B. CROSBY, quality is conformance to requirement. As per Edward Deming, he defined quality as a predictable degree of uniformity and dependability at low cost and suited to market. So like this, we have meaning and definition for quality. So in simple, we can tell it is a fitness for use, excellence, conformance to requirement, way of managing the organization, correcting and preventing the loss, in totality of characteristics of an entity that bear on its ability to satisfy stated and implied needs. Put together, total quality management. What is total? Made up of the whole or complete. What is quality? Degree of excellence. What is management? Art, manner of handling, controlling, and directing. So put together, TQM is the art of managing the whole to achieve excellence. Why we need total quality management in one organization? In order to meet competitors, that is to meet competition, satisfy the customers, to increase or maximize profit and wealth, it should be a systematic approach, long-term commitment for continuous improvement, and top management commitment. So here we have 6 basic concepts. First one is top management commitment. Then focus on customers, both internal and external. Quality at all levels, not in an individual department or individual unit or section like that. It should be applied at all levels of the workforce. Then continuous improvement of production and process. Making supplier as partners. So making supplier as a partnership is one of the basic concepts in degree. Then establish performance measures for the purpose. So these are the 6 basic concepts. Now we will see contributors of total quality management. So here Edward Deming, he is supposed to be said as a quality guru. So he born in York City. Then in 1925 he met Walter Shewhart. Then in 1927 he received a PhD in physics from Yale University. Then 39 he became a head mathematician, National Bureau of Census. Then in 1993 he died in 1993. At the time, he wrote one letter, that is, his written letter in which it was noted, well, maybe as someone who spent his life trying to keep America from committing suicide. So he gave many messages. The basic message was cause of inefficiency and the poor quality is the system, not the employers. So he's always stressing on system. He's telling not to blame the workers for poor quality. So here we can see Deming tools, that is Deming contributions. So first Deming chain reaction, then TDSA cycle, then theory of profound knowledge and putting philosophy or points of management. So what is quality chain reaction or Deming chain reaction? So here we can see the quality is increasing, whereas cost is getting decreased and productivity is increasing. So next his key tool is Deming cycle or Deming wheel, otherwise known as PDCA or cycle. So plan, do, check, act cycle. So what is plan, do, check, act? So Deming is telling whatever action is carried out in organization, first they have to plan, then they have to implement or execute on a trial basis to check it whether it will work out for enhancing quality or not. Then after checking, if it is satisfaction or quality is really enhancing, then they can execute to a fullest extent. So what are the element contained in theory of proper knowledge means appreciation for a system, knowledge of variation, theory of knowledge, psychology of individual society and change. This is the most important topic. Deming 14 points. So first, constancy of purpose. What is constancy of purpose? We have to create and publish the aim and purpose of the organization. So when you present or publish this aim and purpose to the employees will come to know what are the real aim in the organization. So we have to create and focus on improvement of product and service in order to become a competitor so that we can stay longer in the business. Then second one is new philosophy. So here we have to adopt and learn the new philosophy means changes. So we are in a new economic age. So like before, we can no longer live with commonly accepted level of delays or mistakes or any defective materials and defective workmanship. So a company need to complete change to raise the expectation of quality. The third one is dependence on mass inspection. Management should not depend a mass inspection because it is costly and unreliable. But they can use statistical sampling techniques. Inspection will not improve quality. It is too late. Already good or bad quality is there in the product. So mass inspection is costly. Routine inspection is burden and fatigue. So therefore, quality results from prevention of defect through process improvement, not inspection. Then the fourth one is end lower cost tender contracts. So here, what Deming is stressing in the practice of awarding business on the basis of price tag alone. Means should not select the supplier solely based on the price, but consider other parameters such as quality, delivery, on the service, etc. So already we have seen in the concept that we have to treat supplier as a partner and create loyalty and trust. If any changes, supplier frequently they can tell about that to the organization, hence we can execute and enhance the quality. Then fifth one is improve every process, means improve constantly and forever the system. So planning provide a system for improvement that leads to decrease in cost and increase in quality. Then institute training on the job is the sixth philosophy. So here, since we are in modern world, we have to give a modern method of training for all the employees so that they can make better use of every employee. We have to train new skills like changes in materials, method, product design, machineries, techniques, and surveys, etc. So here, people always want a valuable resources. So management must take responsibility for training the employees. So for continuous improvement, employees need tools and knowledge. For that, training is must. So we have to institute training for the employees to enhance the quality. Then seventh philosophy is institute leadership. As we all know, job of manager is leadership, not supervision. Because supervision is simply overseeing and direct the work, but leadership means providing a guidance to help employee to do their job in the best manner which enhance the quality. It also increase the work system and product quality. Eighth philosophy is drive out fear. Here we have to break, that is, we have to drive out fear and create trust, create a climate for innovation in the employees. So management must drive out fear by encouraging employees or motivating employees to ask questions, report problem and express ideas. So fearlessness is the major obstacle for improving efficiency and barrier to change and survival. So encourage two-way communication. And the next one is breakdown barrier between department and individual. Management must optimize the effort and teamwork in the group. People in different departments such as research, manufacturing, procurement, purchasing, sales department must work in a team to tackle the problem encountered in product or service. Now the next term, that is 10th philosophy, is eliminate exploitation. What is this? Actually, this exploitation should be eliminated for the workforce, not in the organization. So likewise, targets, slogan, posters, pictures, urging people to improve productivity must be eliminated. So this causes resentment, that is bitterness and anger in the workforce. So we have applied best strategy only for improvement in order to correct defects in the system, not slogan or posters. Next one is eliminate numerical targets. So here numerical quotas for the workforce should be eliminated, like producing 500 units per shift. This affects the quality of the workmanship. Maybe forcing them to work, but making them to ignore quality and making them to concentrate on quantity, not on quality. So we have to eliminate this quotas for the workforce. Then permit pride of workmanship. That is, remove barrier that rob people of pride of workmanship, not to discourage employee for doing their job. Listen to their suggestion, comment, and complaints. They should feel pride in working in that environment. So, performance appraisal is the highest barrier for this pride. Then 13th philosophy is encourage education and self-improvement for everyone in the organization. Encourage them to pursue higher education, then train them while in the service, improving skills, updating their knowledge. All this will lead to the improvement in the organization and quality can be enhanced. 14th philosophy is top management commitment and action. So all about 13 philosophy should be brought under action oriented. It is in the hand of top management. So new corporate structure can be developed in order to enhance this quality. Then obligation of top management is to implement all these 13 principles. So that is very important that they can take action to accomplish the complete transformation in the organization. So next contributor is JURAN. He born in Romania 1904, then emigrated to America. He graduated in Minneapolis South High School, then bachelor's degree in electric engineering from the University of Minnesota. So in 1951, he published Quality Control Handbook, which is very famous. So Zuran has authored nearly 100 papers and 12 books. And also he has been awarded 30 medals and fellowship worldwide. So here, like DEMING contribution, we have Zuran contribution. He is also one of the quality guru. So he contributed 6 topics, that is internal customers, cost of quality, quality chronology, Juran 10 steps and breakthrough concept. So customer was not just the end customer, but each person along the chain has an internal customer. So each person along the chain from product designer to final user is a supplier and a customer. So here we can see the diagram. From supplier, the process is being carried out, then it is reached to the customers. So this is otherwise known as three-role model. The next topic is cost of quality. So here we can see four quality cost, that is failure, appraisal, prevention. So what is failure cost? So here all this scrap, rework, corrective actions, warranty claim, then customer complaints and loss of customer, these are failure cost. Appraisal cost means inspection cost, investigation, auditing cost. Then prevention cost means training cost, preventing cost, then then implementation cost. All this is cost of quality. So if we concentrate on this cost, Juran is telling that there is a potential for increasing profit. That would result if the cost of product quality could be reduced. So here we can see Juran trilogy, that is consists of quality planning, quality improvement, and quality control. So these are the three managerial process in Juran trilogy. So what is quality planning? We have to establish quality goals, identify the customers well, their needs of the customers. Then according to the need of the customer, we have to develop a product feature, then process we have to develop, then we have to establish process control. Then under quality control, evaluate actual performance, then compare the actual performance with the goals as you planned previously, then act on the difference, that is find the gap and act, then choose a unit of measurement, then choose control subject, that is what is control, then interpret the difference, that is actual with the standard. Then quality improvement is the third managerial process in the Juran trilogy. So here we have to prove the need, that is establish the infrastructure, identify the improvement project, establish project team, then provide the team with resources, training and motivation so that they can carry out with efficiently and effectively. Then diagnose the cause to make remedy, then establish control to hold the gains. So here we can see the diagram. So first part is quality planning. Next comes quality control, then quality improvement. So here we can see the curve is going smoothly. Then suddenly it goes to sporadic spike. Then again it is getting down, that is the quality is decreasing. Then it is in the third phase, that is quality improvement. We can see the original zone of quality control and it reaches to new zone of quality control. 10 steps of quality improvement. So these are the 10 steps. That is for quality improvement, we have to build awareness of the need and opportunity for improvement, set goals for improvement, organize to reach the goals, provide training, carry out the project to solve problem, report progress, give recognition, communication result, keep score, then maintain momentum. So what is breakthrough concept? So journey from symptom to cause and journey from cause to remedy is breakthrough concept. Now the next one is CROSBY. So CROSBY is always pressing importance on zero defects. That is quality is free. So according to him, quality means conformance to requirement. So here, according to CROSBY, what quality absolutes are? So quality is conformance to requirement one. The second one, system of qualities is prevention. Then third is performance standard is zero defects. Fourth one is measurement of quality is the price of non-conformance. CROSBY is also explained 14 steps to quality improvement. What are those? Management commitment, quality improvement team, quality measurement, cost of quality evaluation, quality awareness, corrective action, zero defects program, supervisor training, zero defects day, goal setting, error cause removal, recognition, quality council, do it all over again. So according to CROSBY, he is telling about the quality vaccine. That is integrating systems, communication, operations, policies. So historical review of Tqm. So from quality, so it has been seen quality control. Then with the help of statisticals, we control the quality. Then it became a total quality control. Then we went for quality assurance. Then the concept in total quality management. So right from Stone Age to 1980 to 2000, that is total quality management period, we can see the improvement in the quality. So here we have dimension, that is performance, which is primary characteristics in any product. Secondary characteristics is called feature. Then conformance in the third dimension, that is meeting specification or standards. Then reliability and durability. Then service, response, aesthetics, reputation. All these are called a 9 dimension of product quality. Similarly, we have service quality also. Like there should be a reliability in the service, and supplier or service engineer, they have to give a proper response to the customers. Then must create trust, that is give assurance. Then they always feel on the place of the customers, that should have a empathy rather than sympathy. Then service, it should be tangible. Other dimensions also we can see in the service, like timeliness or time, completeness should be there, courtesy, consistency. Customers should have a easy accessibility and they should feel convenient in that service. Then accuracy, competence, communication, credibility, and most important is security. Now come, what are the barrier to TQM implementation? So here a lack of top management commitment is the first barrier. Then if any organization culture is not adopted in the organization, that is also a barrier. Then improper planning, that is lack of proper planning. Lack of continuous training, if training is not given to the workforce at the right time in the right way, that also leads to a barrier. Then improper organization structure, not availability of sufficient fact, data, or ideas for making effective decision. Internal and external customer dissatisfaction is a very most barrier in TPM. Then poor empowerment and teamwork, lack of continuous improvement approaches. If continuous improvement approaches are not properly used, that becomes a barrier to TPM implementation. So what are the benefits? It improves quality. Naturally, it improves the quality. Then participation of the employee is encouraged, enhanced. Teamwork will be there. Customer satisfaction, both internal and external customer satisfaction will be there. More productivity, good communication, higher profitability, and market share. Next topic is quality concept. What it is? It is a team to provide overall direction for achieving the quality culture. That is, to build quality in the organization, we need quality council in the organization who always provides overall direction to enhance the quality. So in this quality council, we can see a CEO, senior manager, coordinator, or consultant. So next is quality statement. That is vision, mission, and quality statement. What is vision statement? It should be concise, short declaration of what an organization wants to be in a very long term future. So it provides a realistic and clear picture where the company wants to go in the future. So here we can see this picture. How the Maruti Suzuki logo was in 1981 till now. So they also made changes in the logo to attract the customers to enhance the quality. So what is the Maruti Suzuki vision? To make every journey an experience and every experience a memory. Then their mission to be the leader in the Indian automobile industry. So likewise, we have Hyundai, where they changed their logo from 1969 to now. So their vision, team provides value for your future. So likewise, they have mission also. So this is Tata Motors logo. 1945, it was like this. Then now we can see the logo like this. So all this repeated automobile sectors, they change their logo and also they have a wonderful vision to increase the quality, customer satisfaction, productivity. Here come mission statement. So here we have to go for questions such as who are we, who are the customers, what we do, how we do it. So this quality policy statement, a general guide for everyone, which is approved by the CEO. So it should be implemented and given awareness to everyone in the organization, which is required by ISO 9000 standard for quality system. So that's all. Thank you.